Welcome to AI 360 Studio, your gateway to cutting-edge AI tools. Introducing the Product Page Genius, a revolutionary AI tool for e-commerce success. Effortlessly create optimized product pages with captivating titles and detailed feature descriptions. This AI tool, called Product Page Genius, receives your product details into our user-friendly interface either as graphic or text, and swiftly crafts compelling content tailored to boost your sales. Product Page Genius is your ultimate tool for crafting the perfect e-commerce product detail page. Step 1. Start by opening the app from your dashboard and dive into the seamless process we've designed just for you. Step 2. Enter your business description, whether it's text or a captivating graphic, and let the magic begin. Step 3. Choose your preferred language optimized for SEO and hit the blue button to witness the creation of your PDP. Step 4. Review the content we've generated and ensure every detail meets your high standards. Finally, once you're satisfied, effortlessly copy and download your tailor-made content in an instant. That's it. It's that easy. Simplifying content creation and boosting your e-commerce potential has never been more straightforward. Visit AI360studio.com now to start generating sales content for your business. And if you don't have an account yet, go sign up for our exclusive creator deal today. Thank you for watching.